Ano ang plano sa September 21? Anong oras magsisimula?
It's going to be a long day on September 21. Maraming excited, kaya maraming iba't ibang mga activities that are happening around the country. Pero yung epicenter will be at the People Power Monument in EDSA. The day will begin at around 9 a.m. Magkakaroon ng assembly doon, and then at 10 a.m. ang ating Ramon Magsaysay awardee, the new Ramon Magsaysay awardee, Father Flavi, will be leading a mass followed by pocket programs until the 2 p.m. program with leaders of the church and various schools and communities from around Metro Manila.
I know it's early and we don't want to talk about crowd strength, but tanungin ko na rin, how many are you expecting?
Well, in the most recent meeting of the coalition, this is composed of multi-sectoral groups, ang napag-usapan is we're targeting around 15 to 20,000. Pero given itong very warm reception from our kababayans from different parts of Metro Manila, I'm sure that we can have more than 15,000 in the EDSA People Power Monument on Sunday.
Kong Percy, linawin lang natin, no, for the benefit of everyone who wants to attend as well as those who might be, maabala ng traffic. Isasara ba? Ito yung sa may Temple Drive na monument, hindi yung Mother Mary statue doon sa may EDSA Shrine, right?
Yes, ito yung nasa pagitan ng Camp Aguinaldo and Corinthian Gardens, yung Temple Drive. Pero I'm sure that eventually, kung sobrang dami na ng tao, baka mag-spill over ito up to the first lane of EDSA. So this is the PPM Monument. Hindi po yung malapit doon sa isang mall na church. But Mass will be held at 12 noon doon sa EDSA Shrine naman to be officiated by various leaders of the Catholic Church. In fact, ang daming misa na magaganap sa darating na linggo. I understand there will also be a Mass at Lasal Green Hills, which will be participated in by the members of the SEAC o yung Catholic Educational Association of the Philippines. Ito yung mga Catholic schools from around Metro Manila.
So, Kong Percy, inaasahan nyo ba na mostly members of the youth ang sasali sa mga protestang ito?
Madalas nga namin sinasabi, itong darating na Sunday, this will be kami na medyo may mga edad na, kami yung support dun sa ating mga young people who are leading really the charge against corruption. Parang itong generation na ito talaga, yung matindi yung paninindigan laban sa corruption, and we have to support them all the way.
I think, Kong Percy, medyo magkaedad tayo. And we were just saying, I was talking to Pao, who's the same age as my younger sister, na yung generation nila hindi pa talaga nakaka-participate sa rally. So, tell us na rin, no, kung ano ba yung plano na programa? How long will this last? May pinrepare ba kayo kahit loose program flow lang, apart from the multiple masses?
Siguro baka magandang pasilip yung nangyari kanina sa Ateneo. I'm wearing black because earlier today I was invited to speak at the Ateneo Black Friday protest. And Black Friday protests are happening in various campuses around the country. May mga walkout, may mga programa sa mga kalsada. I understand yung magiging kondukta o yung magiging flow of the program on Sunday will be marami ang panalangin because this is a national day of prayer against corruption. Pero I'm sure there will be creative performances. At ayoko man nasabihin, pero may mga naimbitahan tayo ng mga mainstream artists and performers na talagang popular doon sa ating younger generation ngayon.
Alam mo, Kong Percy, ang mga protesta natin parang fiesta di ba? I mean, people power was like that. It became like
It's like a Woodstock fiesta.
Oo.
It felt almost like a social event. Pero may protesta pa rin.
Yes, and I can imagine that dahil ang haba ng programa, imagine from 10 a.m. and up to siguro around 4 or 5, people will be at the People Power Monument. Siguro magmamala-picnic din ito tulad ng EDSA kung saan may mga nagdadala at nagbabahagi ng mga pagkain doon sa mga uma-attend.
Oo, tama. Pero ito naman ang parang may bagyo. Ano ang fallback? Ano ang plan B in case?
Well, I heard this earlier this afternoon when we were at the Ateneo for their Black Friday protest. Yung isang sigaw ng mga bagets natin ay their anger and their courage is waterproof. Kasi nabanggit nga na it could be a rainy Sunday on the 21st.